सो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय दिस वीडियो। सो गाइस, कल की वीडियो आपने देखी या पिछली वीडियो आपने देखी? नहीं देखी तो पहले देख के आओ, एक्सपीरियंस करो। और आज वेलकम है, आज की वीडियो में आपका वेलकम है। तो गाइस, आज हम बात करने जाएंगे अपनी कंसिस्टेंसी के ऊपर कि हम कंसिस्टेंसी कैसे मेंटेन कर सकते हैं, जो इंग्लिश है उसको कैसे सीख सकते हैं, और कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन कैसे हो सकती है। तो जितना पता है उसके बारे में बताऊँगा, ठीक है? तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। Consistencies come from the on depend on the daily basis. If you do the same thing in, it does not mean that you do the thing for hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, या 5 hour. It depend on you how much time you take for the work. For example, you work for the 5 minutes. For example, you wanted to learn the one thing, okay, and you work on starting you work on daily 1 hour to 2 hour. Give the thing for learn these things. But after the time, 1 week, 2 week, you never wanted to do this work. You want it in your heart, but never you have the potential to do this work. So this is inconsistent. This is called inconsistency. So for the consistency work and doing the proper work, you need to doing the thing only for 10 minutes. Mostly you wanted to give the more time, give work for the 30 minutes. Daily you do the 30 minutes. You also face the thing that change the mostly of the things, because you work on daily basis. And consistency you maintain the all consistency, with the help of your 30 minutes you can change your all things. So that choose the less time for this work, and after time you are the better than of this work. So these are the consistency we called. In starting you face the various type of problems, you face the challenges, you face the different things which is little difficult to doing, but it's effective. Then the in it effects in they provide the effects in future. So you need to work on it. Never think that depend on the tomorrow. You need to work on today, behalf on today. Nobody can help you. You are the only one who help your own self. So work on your own self and change your all things. And for the making of a consistency person, you need to making a routine. You need to make a all schedule to follow these rules, and give the things only 10 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes on work daily. And you see the all basis, you see also you see the all changes in the work. And for this these are there the work. But if you want to change the all things for long term, you need to all make the routine, consistency, uh, personal gathering, and uh, making a written notes, and like these things you need to do this. And after that, but you also face the various challenges, like lack of confidence. You have no confidence in starting, but when you work on it, then it's also change. Lack of time, because sometimes you have no time to work on it. So it's never mean that how many time you give it. It's mean that you give the time. It's mostly 5 minutes you want. If you have 5 minutes to give it this, give the thing to time, you give the 5 minutes in starting. But after all things manage, and suddenly you see the changes. So with the help of your consistency power, you can fluently development on your site. you your vocabulary expansion is also on different, and your English is also better than before. These are the things you also see the changes. And for the practice of these things of consistency, for for maintaining for maintain the consistency, you need to work on it with the teaching class, learn English, personal gathering with friends, and talk more it, and these are the things are which help to change your life with the help of consistency. So work on it and achieve all those things which you want to achieve in your future. So work on it on the present, never think about the future and never think about the past, but you live in the present. So you live in the present, so only think about the present time and work on it. So okay guys, this are the video, मिलते हैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। और पिछली वीडियो अगर नहीं देखी तो पिछली वीडियो देखो और मिलते हैं। ओके बाय, थैंक्स।